Mr. Aquino, looking for three. Aquino, three. Antoy, nag-taxi. Basket. Hit. Aquino, for three again. Opa. Nakakuha ni Mr. Opie. Basket to Mr. Aquino. Mr. Aquino, right? Basket. 10 shot na. Mr. Opie for three. Oh, Mr. Opie to win. Condition. Mr. Opie, magpantay. Basket. Ay! Kala ko maagawan. Pansoy to win. 3-5. Adrian, kaso magpantay. Aquino. Aquino, shot. Basket. Aba, condition na ulit. Mr. Pansoy looking for three. Pansoy, bang! 3-5. 55 seconds. Magpantay. Basket. 50. Mr. Aquino. 35 seconds. No basket. Magpantay. 30 seconds. Time. Setting the game. Looking for teammates. Pass to Mr. Pansoy. Kaganda naman ni Theodore. Nagkagandang pasa. 5 minutes and 50. Mr. Opie. Using guard. 2 points. Rojas. Basket. 2 minutes and 10. Mr. Pansoy. Basket. 1 minute and 12. Back to Mr. Ross. Basket. Sabay sa tahid, right? Oh, nothing in my house, but there's a foul. Committee by, who's fouled? Number... Magpantay. Ang ganda ng pasa. Natapulot. Continue. Hindi kinaya ng paa. Pero nagkatitigad ka ba? Basket. Nice shot. 49. Wait lang. Second shot lock. Basket by Mr. Opie. Patay mo, 1 minute and 30. Isang po ang kalamangan ng the board. Last 45 seconds. Basket. Last 30 seconds. Basket for the board. Mr. Rojas. Basket. Sumabay pa. 5 second shot lang. Basket. Pansoy to win. Ano? 1 minute and 40. Line number 25. 2 points. Basket. 45 seconds. Basket. Last.